Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to upgrade the Linux operating system of which is Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version of the Noble to upgrading to the Raccoon version of 26. So go with the Google and type Ubuntu download. You will go with the official document here. So you can see up the version, the Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. I'm saying don't install this version because it's like a beta version. Just wait for the 2 to 3 months afterwards. After the August, you can install this version because there is some bugs and minor issues. Some services will not start. That's why I'm saying. So if you like to explore this latest version or the future, you can install it. So first we have to check it up before installing this new version of the Ubuntu operating system. First make sure you have this 24.04 LTS version. This is the code name as a novel. So we are going to installing their account version of 26.04, right? So one more thing we have to keep in mind, and we have to upgrade it up the kernel version here 6.14 to 6.17. Some PCs will um, going to face some booting up issue. So while upgrading your system of the kernel, so I done this video in the previous time, so you can watch it up by reverse it back to the normal kernel 6.14 version. So let's begin to install or upgrade this version from 24 to 26 point, right? So before installing up this one, we have to do some actions in the uh, Ubuntu machines. So go with the sudo apt update, and here they given this some system requirements. Make sure you have those system requirements: 2 gigahertz dual core processor and 6 GB system memory, and 25 GB of the hard disk spaces, and USB port DVD. Basically, we are in upgrading now, right? We don't require to download any ISO file. And is text editor. First check it up the version and the kernel. Make sure you have to check it up all those stuffs, right? And once you're done, sudo apt update, then upgrade, sudo apt upgrade, right? So it takes approximately 1 hour while you're upgrading your operating system, and you should have a good internet speed and the space also. Make sure you have the space up here. Yeah, have 151 GB of free space, right? Yeah, now the upgrade was done. Now I have to enter it sudo apt full upgrade. Hit enter. Do perform these commands the one by one. Don't do it the copy paste at the same time. maybe your current kernel is 6.14, it is present, so it's going to removing up. So if in case the 6.17 kernel version is installed, I mean if you are getting a kernel panic, means just watch this video and it will move back to the normal version, normal kernel operating system or working OS, right? And sudo et auto remove. Yes. So it's going to remove the unwanted packages which is stored in the cache. Yes, we have this space. Right, done. So now once you're done, you have to reboot your machine. Just reboot and come back. Once you rebooted the machine, now we have to check. First we have to install this package, sudo apt install it, and the manager core. So it's already installed. Anyway, we are installing up, so we are done. And up here sudo nano, otherwise let's do it for cat etc update manager release upgrades. So here in the command line, you will see out this one, the prompt equals to LTS. If in case you're seeing anything like a never or the normal, you have to change it to the LTS version, because this is going to checking up the latest LTS release available, which is Ubuntu repository. So if you like to change up this one, just remove this sudo and type the nano. It will come up here. Just remove and enter it. That's it. And now yeah, keep this kernel version in the notepad, and the current version, this one. The code name is Numbat, the currently which I have right now. Right. So now type sudo do release. So right now it's going to check the Ubuntu version. It's not listed up here, so you have to give one more flag tag. Here is -d. Just hit enter. So it's going to check the whether it is have the latest one. So it's going to show up here the welcome to Ubuntu 26.04 LTS result Raccoon. This is the version right now. So actually this is maybe a beta version. There is maybe there is issue in the related to the bugs or patch updates. If something you are facing something, any issue in the while using the Ubuntu operating system, which is latest one, so you can go and report it by this URL. So I installed this the latest one in my previous I mean another laptop. So I got an error like this. I can't able to see any desktop icons or files. So even I go to the settings in the Ubuntu desktop, option is going to showing up the no Ubuntu settings found. Something has gone wrong. Please report a bug in the launchpad. So that's why I'm saying before doing this one, just if you like to experiment it, that is okay. Otherwise, you have to wait up to 5 to 6 months. Maybe you have to wait for until the September. So now it's showing up like this. Click on the Y, click on the continue. So approximately it's going to take 30 minutes around. So it's going to consume some 4 to 5 GB of internet data. And in the middle is going to ask some configuration upgradations and replacement. So we have to give our default one or install the new version by typing the S. So now it's going to saying something, do you want to start the upgrade? So some packages going to remove, some packages going to upgrade. You're going to showing up by clicking on the D. Here you can see the details is D. Just type the D and hit enter. It's going to show which one is going to remove, which one is going to install, which one is going to upgrade, right? So based on the your packages is going to do it. Yes. Click on the spaces until it comes to the end and type the Q to exit. Now type the Y and continue. And here lock screen disabled. Your lock screen has been disabled and will remain disabled during the upgrade. So it is not going to lock up your, log out your current session. That's why the message is showing up. So I will come back once it upgrade was done. You don't require to interact with your console. Sometimes some message will going to appear like same as it is, continue or details. So you have to keep on the eye on the screen. I will come back once the message will come. So right now it's going to asking the permission to restart the some packages while upgrading. So click on the Y as, otherwise you can go with the no. Otherwise going to keep on asking the continue on the Y. That's why. So like this you will get a message for configuration files. So here you can see up by default current version, or you can type the Y to install the maintainer version. So I'm going with the which is recommended by the while installing a operating system. So I'm going with the Y or I. So once it finish, is going to require to restart your machine. Now click on the Y and restart the system. Yeah, now the latest version of 26 LTS is installed. Click on the next. Now I can able to see my desktop icons everything. So my another laptop not going to showing up the desktop icons. On the next and click on the finish. So some icons, styles, everything is got changed. Board. Yeah, Ubuntu 26 and yeah, let me check up in the terminal. Yeah, now you can see up the kernel version is 7.0 earlier, which is which one we are using 16.7 something, right? Now is 17 version of the kernel we are using. Salt Raccoon. Yeah, so we seen up how to upgrade the Ubuntu operating system from 24 to 26. So this is the video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.